Good, 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 good. And so the reason we have the feet out like that is so energy can flow. Shoulders down when we put our minds here. All right. So we're gonna go and get started with the hand cupping, or what we call the body cupping. What it's going to do is help you go into like a relaxation state where you're removing blockages and the body's able to flow. Then we get into smooth. Okay. So I'll start to demonstrate it, and then you all can join in with me. Okay. Let's extend the left arm out with the palm up, and we make a cup with the other hand. We start to cup up and down the body just like that. The reason they call it cupping is because you should almost be able to pour some water in that hand. It's like a suction. So you do it with good intention, but the arm is still relaxed. Just like that. And my people who've been here before, you know what to do, so go on and continue your process. And Cheryl thinks she's slick. She's reminding me of the sweeping too. Thank you, Cheryl. Yeah, she's reminding me of, okay, after you do your cupping, you gently sweep, just like gently, and breathe gently. Then do the other side. And make sure to be cupping again. And open your arm up under. This helps to circulate tissue in the limbs and in the breast tissue where we need some circulation in. Because there's a lot of stagnant energy there. And on the other side. Good. Around the stomach, massage a little bit. Yes, around the hip. Now. Very good. Warm up the hands. Gently and slowly. Shoulders down. You're warming up the Lao Gong. Put your hands on both sides of your neck. And massage. And fingers are massaging your upper spinal column. Right here. On those vertebrae, you there. And along the side, you have the vagus nerve and other nerves right there. Gently. Very gently. All right. Now open the hands, open the arms, looking up and down. And bring the hands down slowly. Inhale, exhale. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Inhale, exhale slowly. Inhale, exhale slowly. Continue to press down gently. Put your hands on your lap and just feel. Keep your eyes open and just feel. Feel whatever your body is going down. And just feel. Slowly and gently start to come back. In gratitude, in balance and mind. On the count of 5, slowly return to the present. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring your hands together, wash your hands gently, solidify the replacement of the self with the physical self. Start to open the eyes. If the eyes are closed, open the eyes. Open the eyes. Move your shoulders around. Move your shoulders around gently and softly, just like this. Very good. Look at your neighbor and say, welcome back, neighbor. Welcome back, neighbor. Good. All right, now relax your hands. Because I'm nosy, we're gonna check in with, ask yourself, what did I get from that? That's for you. Ask yourself, what did I just get from that? Okay, just ask yourself, what did I get from that experience? Very good. You want to stay awake, stay with me. Okay, let's check in with you. What was your experience? What did you feel? Not what you thought. What did you feel? Yes. Very good. Calm. Very good. Excellent. Yes, ma'am. Very well said. Yes, yes, yes. I already know mine. How about you? What did you get? A release of stress. Very good. Anybody else got anything that they want to add to this? If not, that's okay. What you want to say? Yes, ma'am. I felt my blood. Really? You know. Yeah. Yes. Did anyone else feel that? The increase in circulation? Yes, you did. And that's one of the benefits of doing a cupping. It elevates the energy points and then you sweep. Very good. Thank you. All right, so now we're going to do something simple. Very good. So while your feet are down, just pick them up, move them around a little bit. Actually, some of this kind of helps with circulating energy to the kidney, believe it or not. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down the circle. Very good. All right, very good. Okay, so now from here, what we're going to do is this is circling the earth using silk reeling. So this is how simple it is. So watch this. Inhale, exhale. Exhalation, exhalation. So criteria for this one is to move smoothly, like silk. You're circling the earth with love. You're using your chi that's coming from the loud bone. Circle gently with bringing balance, love and joy to the earth. Shoulders down, and you're breathing gently. Once you do that 3 times, you do the same with the other hand. But now watch, this is about transitions as well. Watch this. As I finish, everything is gentle. Try it a couple of times on your own before we do it as a group. Go ahead, just have fun with it. Start off with the right hand, circling in front of you. Yep, so if you're facing this way, going to this way. Gonna go to the left, come up slowly. And cross, right, about chin level. And down. Over to right. And circle right in front of you. But what I want you to do is watch your hand and watch your fingers. This is the study of your personal universe. That's why this is so beautiful, a very personal experience. And transition, slowly transition to the other hand. Everyone is doing an excellent job of watching your hand, your foot. It's the beauty of this study of itself. That it's slowing down and combining all of your cells, help them become one with who you are. There. Bring it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a deep breath, inhale, smile, and exhale. You self again, very good. Yes. You know I'm nosy, right? So what was your experience with that? Yeah. Yeah. We don't have any duct tape, so don't break it. Yeah, yeah, a little different. Yeah. Anybody else? Anything in particular? Anything in particular? Yeah. Because we're so connected with the outside world. The reason we look at our hands, it helps you connect internally. That's why we do it. This way, your experience, anything you want? Okay. Wait, you always say that if you are coordinated. Hard.
I don't feel like it is, I feel like and what is gonna get the.
You were doing great.
So,
Did I come over there and bother you today?
you know, I was watching you when you go to other. I did.
I mean, you got it, you're doing okay. All right. So now we're going to take it to another variation. This time we're going to do silk reeling. But it's going to, it's like you send love to two universe. And it's like this. This is a variation. Now watch this. You can reverse it. Notice my hands are almost simultaneously in the same place, but sometimes they are not. This is where you get creative with your transition. The symbolism is your transition in life experience. Something can come towards you abruptly, but your transition, your response to it does not have to be abrupt. So through that transition, it can still be graceful, peaceful, and it's still, through that, you are breathing. What's my breathing word? You're still breathing. Love, relaxation, harmony. This is the exploration. And if you reverse it, nothing abrupt. Expression with the finger. When we do that, we're still acknowledging, reducing the influence of future arthritis pain, carpal tunnel. So you're expressing with the hand, okay? So again, sending love and gathering to the universe. Whenever you're ready to begin, one. Just looking at me like, begin what?
I was about to say, I was,
I can tell, that's why I looked at it. Yes. So we're doing these sitting, but soon we're going to start standing. Be creative and have fun and just breathe. And relax. You will feel what you're supposed to do. Follow my movement down. Gently press the air out, shoulders down, pressing. Inhalation. Drawing back in, shoulders long. Press out gently, soft, press the air. Inhalation, draw back in. Winding down and circling the arm. Press the air gently. Close your eyes. We'll do it. And inhalation. Very good. Give yourselves a hand. Count of three. 1, Stand up. You don't have to do it quickly. 1, 2, and 3. Stand up. Inhale, exhale. Step around a little bit. Now, this one is called the grand happiness. So I'll demonstrate this one for you. If anyone has any like knee problems or any hip problems, be gentle with yourself. I'll demonstrate it and then you decide if you can do this or not. So the feet are almost going to be maybe a few inches apart. So just watch me first. Don't do anything. Watch carefully. Don't do anything. Transition. Now, let's assume you have some knee pain. You're just gonna very slightly put your heel on just a little bit. Not in front of the other. It's almost like at an angle when you have a good sense of balance. Okay. So try that a couple of times on your own. Just kind of play with it to see how you feel with life. Want to play with that. All right, now everybody can do it with you. Here we go. Inhale. Relax everything. Start pushing, let's put the hands together, shoulders down. Start to put the palms down. Bend slightly on the left knee, very slightly. Pick up the right foot, just in the whole, the last thing, put it out about half. Bring the hands in. Begin to press very gently. Do not let the knee go past the toe. You know, right here you do it, but the arms, so hold it right there. Shoulders are relaxed. You can hold it posture right there. I won't keep it on your shoulder. Very good. I don't want you to overextend. Relax your shoulder. There you go. See those shoulders come down. Yeah, and the hands up. Very good. Relax everything. Good. Relax your fingers. Relax your fingers. Relax your fingers. Nice. That's nice. That's okay. So I want you to, we're going to modify you just a little bit. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay, now, on 3, we're going to bring it back. 1, 2, 3, we're going to grab half. Come back. We're going to press back out again. Just get the only 2 inches to press out. And again, do this 3 times on your own. You should almost feel the air and press out. Don't press hard. Don't press hard. Make it soft and gentle. Yes, inhalation. When you press out, you're releasing everything, all the stress, all the stuff you do not need. Inhalation. Yeah. Very good. Now this last one, if we press out gently, you're going to slowly bring that foot back with us. Raise up the toe, then bring back the heel. And down. Very good. That's not good for me. Anybody in pain from that one? I am.
Something in your shoulder.
Yeah.
I can't move my shoulder and it helps.
Really? Yeah, because this movement, this is not a normal movement that we do. Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay? Keep together about maybe about 4 inches apart. And then we bring the arms together as they circle around. Pick up the left foot and the toe with the left and put the heel out just a little bit, a little bit. And down and press forward. Keep the upper body straight. Relax the shoulders down and press. You got it. Yeah. Make it a slow, gentle process. Continue that. What they call this movement in meditation. Let's bring that foot back. Slow and gently. Relax the shoulders down and inhale, exhale, release everything. Step around and release everything. What are you feeling right now? It was easy for you? Okay.
This knee was cracking.
It was?
Yes.
How does it feel right now? Is it painful?
It just here.
Yeah, but what's happening right now, you're using some muscles and things you probably have not.
I'm here.
Yeah. Nobody else told you to do that movement before, ever. So for her, we did some modifications, that's what we did. So we shortened it, so it's not a long movement, it's more of a southern system. In southern China, when a lot of these movements were developed, they were either developed for the north or south. You know, the more extended movements are from the north. You know. So this one is more of a southern posture. So I could do the same thing and make it real short, but it has the same benefits. Watch this, it's like this. See? The thing is the shoulders down, the breathing as you exhale. Very good. If I do it, all right, arms, wings alternating. Clapping gently. So now for this one, Some of you remember embrace the moon. Right? So we're gonna take it to the next step without demonstrating. So standing embrace the moon. What did you notice about my posture? What did you notice about it when I did it? What's one thing you noticed? The whole body move? Yeah, it's like a coiling. So I'm sending chi through all of my body. Okay. What else do you notice? What else do you notice? I'll do it again. You just tell me what you notice. Mm-hmm. Yes. Got in a hurry. So in my mind, if I was to ask you, when you think about the universe, what do you think about? What would you imagine?
Rotation of the.
Okay. How about you? What do you imagine?
Think about the earth.
The universe.
All this road.
Okay. What does that look like? If you have to picture it.
Right.
Okay. Good. Very good. And okay. Okay. Even dark. Okay. You need light, which is all good. It's dark. What do you think of? Infinity. What does that look like? Okay. So if I was to say, draw a picture for me, Letitia, right? Going for what would that look like? That's the reason I'm asking. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. How about you? Okay. Okay. Very good.
I think you're trying to pull something from you.
Okay.
Pull it towards you for.
Okay. Okay. It's a, I know it's a difficult, it's an interesting question. How about you? What do you think of when you think of the
And then dark with the light. Around it, but in.
okay. What are those colored lights? What color?
Oh,
What color lights are you seeing out there?
Light.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Anything else? Yeah. Any lavenders?
yeah.
In the picture book? That's right. That's right. So the reason I do that is to draw forward imagery for you because your mind makes it real. And I often give the example, have any of you ever had a dream of falling before? You ever had a dream when you were falling?
Yeah.
Now watch this. Has everyone ever hit the ground when they ever had the dream? No. Why is that? Why do you wake up? And everybody says the same thing. Yes, I've had the dream, but I've never hit the ground. Isn't that interesting? Because your mind makes it real. Which means if you hit the ground, that's right. That's right. So when you think about that, so when I said, what is your image of the universe? Okay, so when you do this movement, embrace the movement, you become part of that universe. There's no hurry for it. It becomes your true, real healing inside. Because you are manifesting that, I don't want to say control, but the merging of yourself with the outer universe. So when you do this move, it becomes this beautiful healing, awakening, moving thing in your part. Okay? So let's turn. Yes. Yes. You can make this a reality of things that you need, you want, and acknowledging what has happened in the past. It creates more creativity, more understanding of who you are. Everything that is alive has life force energy. Everything that is alive has chi in it. And so whatever your personal experience, which is why I've always asked them, what did you get from that? Because it's for you to take home with you. And it continues to manifest in you. So, good questions, keep these questions coming, all right? So let's go with this one then. How are you doing? Okay? I'm good. Excellent. Everybody else okay? Very good. Be comfortable with this is the part about shoulder width. Relax everything, relax everything. Have it circle, just like that. Like press the hand, yes. Then we go into what we call embrace the moon. Right hand on top, gently holding the ball, and the left hand at the bottom. Okay, where you are, the left hand is gonna be right where the belt line is, or the lower down here. The other hand is right here. And the shoulder's going to be. So it's interesting when I tell people to relax your shoulders, I always see it. Which is right. So the goal is to keep the shoulder down. Now that's where you hold a lot of our attention. That's one of the benefits of Tai Chi. So when you're doing Tai Chi moves, your shoulders are down. Y'all ready to do that next? Yeah. So my body becomes one universe. Okay. What was I? Okay, let me get back here. Okay, ready. Let's start over here. Arms down. Okay, now embrace the moon. Circle over. Good. One. Release. Fan your fingers out gently. Everything is soft, but it has the intention. If you let the hand come around to embrace the moon. You always feel that. And continue. You feel that, yes? Under that. Yes. Relaxation. And fan out here. Okay, make it your own now. Okay. Four and five. And we're going to lift water. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing out. And find a posture, relax, give yourself a hand. Excellent. Man, that was beautiful. Man. It absolutely was. I saw you with a big smile when you started. What was going on over there? And I could tell you internalized. It was beautiful. What did you get?
What kind of calm?
Yeah. Yeah, and enjoy the move. Okay, very good. Okay. So now we're gonna, sure, anything additional? Yeah. Exactly. Good. I enjoy it. Good. You don't wanna say anything else more, why not? I already said it. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of stepping in, okay? So now this is what it's gonna look like. This is where some of the challenges gonna come up. So we did some of the warm up. So now you envision walking with embrace the moment, not necessarily walking, but stepping. Watch this. This is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna take some coordinating. Facing you, this is what it's going to look like. Well, everyone can just practice a little bit in your own space wherever you want to. Then it will become normal. The reason this is called a study is because your body may not get it in the beginning, and it feels awkward, but over time, you start to adapt. Just keep everything gentle, express with the freedom. When you become tense, the movement becomes tense. So it's just like that. It's almost like, think of massaging hair. Massaging hair. So go ahead and play with that for a little bit. Keep your steps small, keep your posture erect. That's why it's doing it. Because it's something to slow down. You still need to start. Relax. Everything's soft. Alright. Please stop where you are, turn toward me. So now we're gonna do the same type of walk, relax your arm. Now, here's what we're going to do. It's almost the same thing, but it's a little bit lighter, right? Watch this. Hands are turning 2 circles and you're expressing. Okay? Now, everything has to be relaxed. You have to express. I don't want to see any tense hands. So go on and enjoy that one. Yeah, good job so far. And so the reason we walk and relax, and I'm going to talk about that. The reason we do that is because it releases stagnation in the mind, body, and spirit. That's okay. We shall walk. What you said? We stepped there with you. Yeah. There you go. That's why we do this. We do this. That's what's happening. Don't give up. Up, everybody. It's wonderful. There you go. There you go, everybody. Good job. Good job. Good job. That's it. Make our way slowly, slowly back here. Slowly. I'm ready to stop. All right, circumcise the arm. Gentle rub, very good. The hand, the thighs, the finger. The song is called Water from the Mountain. Maybe
Yeah.
rise and fall. Rise and rage. Not too much. On have a seat. Very good. We're gonna get ready to slowly start to end this. Man, what was really, really beautiful is to see how everybody made it their own. You didn't have to do it exactly like Brian was doing, because that was not the objective. So I saw, it looked like it was very free for some of you, very much so. And so to understand the process, we start off with like stillness, which is called Wu Chi. There's a term called Wu Chi in Tai-Chi and Qigong. Wu Chi means stillness, no extremity. It's like the universe, it's stillness, there's nothing. But then, once you start to feed it with energy, the energy moves. You're moving your energy. That's what allows you to release and still replenish the things you do. So it's therapeutic without it being therapy. Okay? So it has a very healing component to it. As far as whatever it is that you need for yourself during this life experience. Okay? So, what did you get from today's experience? Think about that for a second. Then I want you to talk about it. There are two reasons. Others can hear you and they'll say, yes, I feel the same thing. Number two, your universe hears you, then it starts to send you more of what it is that you need. Does that make sense? Yeah. It sends you more of what it is that you need to balance your life. Who wants to go first about what you gathered from today? What do you think you feel?